I am mokyeonkim. Before I go on introducing my topic, I would like to ask the question, how good are you in English? In this highly competitive society, learning the English language is like a prerequisite course before getting a job. Especially in the Korean atmosphere, students attend various academies, associations, institutions, and study groups to obtain a good English score in TOEFL, TOEIC, and other authorized tests. In fact, according to statistics from ETS, in the year 2004 to 2005, Korea achieved the highest number of test takers in the TOEFL test, ranking 18.5% globally. However, what's ironic is that most test takers who have a high score in these tests actually have a hard time speaking and communicating in English. So, I decided to research about the hardships of learning English amongst senior students in Yonsei University, majoring in the area of mass communications and English literature. I narrowed down my research population to senior students majoring in the course of mass communications and English literature because I thought that these two majors actually have a higher percentage to communicate and speak in English in their near future. I focused on senior students because I thought that they would be more sensitive in obtaining an authorized English test score. I chose this topic because I thought that this research topic is actually very crucial in the current society. According to MBC, Koreans spent more than 10 trillion won in English education, which is more than half of the entire national educational budget. In addition, Koreans spent approximately 15,548 hours every 10 years, where the corresponding investment costs reach up to 20 million won. Even through all of these, what we can see around is that there are still tons of students experiencing a problem in speaking English. So I decided to dig up the problem and find some relevant answers. My research will be handling by both qualitative and quantitative research methods. First, I will create a survey containing several questions about how my population thinks about English, education in Korea, and their English level, the hardships they've experienced in learning English. After which, I will handle a face-to-face interview with few randomly selected participants and ask about their personal opinions and the possible solutions of this problem. By doing this, I hope that my audience could be aware of the density of the problem, and I also hope that they could find a better solution in learning English communication more efficiently through my presentation. Thank you for listening.